Dear friends, do you know Cadbury Dairy Milk is one of the most loved chocolates all over the world? In this video, we will take you on a journey to witness how this delightful chocolate is made. Join us for a virtual tour of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Factory. Welcome to the Cadbury Dairy Milk Factory. Every day, trucks from all over the country deliver cocoa beans to this factory. These beans are then transformed into the chocolate that we all know and love. We move inside the factory to the machines where the cocoa beans undergo thorough quality checks. After the cocoa beans arrive, they undergo a thorough quality check to ensure that only the best beans are used to make the chocolate. Any defective beans are separated, sorted, and discarded. Once the cocoa beans pass the quality check, they move to the next process where they're cracked open and broken into small pieces. The chocolate maker adds a precise amount of cocoa butter, sugar, and whole milk powder to the mix, and the chocolate undergoes several roasting and refining stages to get a smooth and delicious chocolate flavor. Once the chocolate is processed, it's molded and shaped into different sizes and shapes, depending on the demand. It is then set to cool, and once cooled, they are taken out of the molds and go through wrapping. We then move on to the wrapping machines where the chocolate pieces are individually packed. Once the chocolate is cooled, it is wrapped in its distinctive purple wrapper and packaged in various sizes. The automatic machines add the wrapping, and finally, the packaged product is boxed and shipped all over the world. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.